Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You will begin by downloading and launching CPU-Z so you get live hardware data. First, pick the correct installer architecture and save it. Once downloaded, close demanding programs and plug the laptop into power because thermal and power limits affect measurements. Then run the installer as administrator and allow the program to start. When CPU-Z opens, you'll see tabs labeled CPU, caches, mainboard, memory, SBD, and graphics. Those are the panels you'll use to inspect components. Now focus on detailed readings so you understand what your laptop actually reports. Open the CPU tab and read the processor name, core and thread counts, base and current clock speeds, and cache sizes. This tells you the silicon and real-time behavior. Next, switch to memory and SBD to confirm RAM type, frequency, module sizes, and channel configuration. This explains performance potential. Make sure to observe the real-time frequency while running a light workload, so you can see turbo versus base operation. To finish, capture and preserve the data you need so you can compare later. Use the Tools or Validate function to generate a report and save screenshots or the TXT file for documentation. Once done, close CPU-Z, and if you change hardware or BIOS settings, repeat the test to confirm results. If values seem incorrect or unstable, make sure to update chipset drivers and BIOS, then perform a clean boot and rerun CPU-Z. That usually fixes misreported speeds or missing modules.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.